that collaboration may play, not combination. Listen.
And I know baby Shanks represent the Stonewall. I may say this one, you know. No other song can play this stuff. I got this one exclusive. Where would you go? Yeah, I could have bazaar, so if you left your body down a photo. Alright then, Stonewall, if you kill them, them a little dead sound. Them boy, they not bad, them a little dead sound.
The song just start, just listen, man.
Them boy, they not bad, them a little dead sound. Snow blows 13, fuck up the crime scene, bloody up another sound boy where you try to make a man move on the stage, take your laptop, can't buy
listen!
All of them are the job top, you can make a man move and kill them.
I grace family, I left for Green Bay now. I'm going to little go down the road, right by the school here.
Stonewall don't pretend to be friend, but I heard I them with the confidence. Stonewall don't pretend to be friend, but I can't grab your bike, your neck.
The song not done yet, brother.
To be friend, but I heard I them with the confidence.
Who will expand that song here?
To be friend.
Or we are talking about for the whole night?
Alright. You see the skin from a part of the field, but mine can't be.
Not a spider global.
You don't find corner, manipulate, and attack with your full one.
This is what they call a collaboration.
Spring from King Stonewall said, the real friend can't wait, they never feel, they never.
Who this know?
Yeah, on to them. Show. On a Stonewall sound you want fuck with.
Hold on. Remember my rate is still up, so we know. Me not want me run up against them, but run regular song, but I'm not gonna away. Me still just standing firm all. I don't have to become a safe place spider, right? I like to see my fool and run go for
Yo, Basil Kid, representative.
I'm gonna play for my one.
Home to them, alongside Global International. Spider, way I say.
Yo, King Shot.
Play this one, yeah.
About the 216, that's how you
Go
go.
Basil Kid party, we say. Fine song.
Soldier, J-Boss, spur down. No, we don't break from it, boy, head top, live up.
King Shot, let's hold it up.
Yo, Hans Nest, Brick Wall, Royal Flock, 268.
This is the real spider.
When the finger work.
Finger work. Wait for the general.
Dark horse in a back, down in a dead. Watch out. Finger work.
You never had a one day. Yeah, man. Surprise you. Listen. Take this one then now. Listen.
In a dead. None of them about them see that already be a gun. Them attack when they Google. Man, this and no F-double-O spell cool. Man, cool and no teacher will beat it in a school.
Listen. Where my artist in the reach yet? Big up Spider, but listen, Basil.
Watch out.
On a King Shiloh sound you want fuck with. You in the sea soldier bunny nine pop.
Now gonna be water.
Just play that song.
Oh, no worry about that. You don't play like this. Chicken finger. Let's be real, Walla. The artist, come on. Let's be real. We get different style, different artists, different song. Let me see you, Basil again.
But bro, didn't I just play that song?
Oh gosh, a Basil. I'm gonna get different style.
Ah, here.
Okay.
I'm going to play a Basil. And this is the last Basil I'm going to play.
He run out. He run out. Lord, God, he run out. No. Fellas, what's up? Yeah, lift this already up. He run out.
Shut up. You cannot run me out of Basil.
But let's play. I'm not stopping.
You cannot run me out of Basil.
I'm not stopping.
Okay? So if I say this is the last Basil me play because this is exclusive.
Okay, fair enough. But we can play one last one
This
too.
is exclusive.
Okay.
Okay?
Everybody play one last one.
Here from top.
Yeah, Antigua killing blood clot machine, Stonewall International Sound. Yo, number one, I want to them. Wallard, yo, 40. Yo, go for the blood clot Mac 40. Yo, silence, violence. Yo, Gerard, Chevy. I want to them slick one.
Antigua rhythm, Antigua.
Tongue, history this. Yo, this is the killing. Stonewall a bad soul from 1989. Like a jump and call them too bad fine. It is the wall of 8 again before 9. The pussy tried this because of COVID time. Through my heart, told me not pay them no mind. That's why me kill them at Christmas time. Bring the massive water.
That's the day! Stand Shiloh!
Ho, ho, ho! Some sound harder than slow.
This is when we know you go for ya. In the month to well people. And this
I never
one-
said anything like this one.
Never.
Listen, my God,
Oh, God, what talking man? This is when we know you go for ya. Oh, God, what talking about? Oh, God, what talking about? This is when we know you go for ya. The boss gone for Christmas song. In the April, January, you don't need for good
bro,
Christmas.
we're playing basically.
Don't worry, but I will play for the season, man. Plug out, man. What's Sabbath? Plug out. Sabotage. What's happening? What's happening in the studio? When I run the ball at my yard stand friend, that's what we send you for, but dig. Because they have people now cut the artists and them. So, this is for my Basil like that because I'm going to run out while lad. You don't play my one cheese song.
Come on, man.
Listen, my song on top your nice. You can play my songs, nigga. King Shiloh Sound, Angie Blacks. You play that? Tell me, listen. This is Basil Kid and Angie Blacks. You say you can play, but you never play, so I play it. Round and the ring of it, sound from 21 King Shiloh. When we're done here, we're going to play Basil Gospel. Gospel Basil.
Somebody done at the back of the white one. Somebody got
Basil Carrier gun, my
a
brother.
laptop in the hand only.
Basil Carrier
Somebody
gun.
got a laptop in the
I'm
hand.
gonna play a bass on the man.
Come no man.
Jada.
Play a bass.
I endorse the artist tonight, man.
Yeah, man, what you mean?
The artist get on bus,
Big
man.
up Basil Kid.
Shout out.
No thing, man.
You realize when I play back my bass?
Yeah.
Let me hear you.
You realize when I play back my bass?
Let me hear you.
No, you're chill behind, Reggie. You're chill behind. I want to play next buzzer that you can't find.
Let me hear you.
You need for go vice.
Up to now.
You need for go vice. No, you need for go vice. You need for go vice. You stop vice buzzing and your vice and kind of nigga. You need for go vice.
But man, no run out yet.
You play back
name of
cheese
vice.
song, bro. You play back killer in the cheat different way. You play back style. Bro. Let me play a bass and that you need for the vice. Yeah. Tonight I'm gonna teach you. Listen, tonight, Jada, that's the chatting man.
Excitement when you see blood that run pan your garment. Chop them up, left the body in a segment. For me gonna take begging payment.
Party alone.
Blood clot kill machine. Silence. No violence. Party. No step on. Yo. Murder the blood clot soul. Yo. Listen to them. Yo, feel out to the spine. Yo, gunshot. Everything sound. Show. You can't destroy. You're a riot. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Basil, what you got doing enough for you right now? You're viral. Make sure you record this. Make sure you record this. See, man? Make enough.
Bar for bar.
Shut up. King Shiloh. Warlord. And we have Everclear join the battle right now. Pick up yourself.
Representing for Everclear Sound, the sound with a difference. One to them, a ganja with blood clot smoke. Some boy drunk a smoker. Yo, only one time a blood clot here.
That boy on a gun to smoke and that boy play for cigarettes.
A blood clot smoke. Yo, chopper me. One to them, minute. Yo, bring him up. Bomb clot so long. Yo, right, my blood clot split now. Yo, have a blood clot tune now. Yo, Troy, tell them. Yo, every day a 420 for we. Bun we hurry and we bun we creeping. Where we come from they call it darling. All of them are me very smiley. Every day a 420 for we. Bun we. Everyone please.
Yeah. I left my boy tell you look and search. Right now he tell you search.
I said, no.
Stop, search.
Listen. No. I'm gonna play exclusive basketball. I want your exclusive.
Let's go.
Yo. Basil Kid. Represented from my blood class on. Stonewall. Yo. Basil Kid. Represented from my blood class on. To them. Stonewall International. Yo, hold on. Whitney. Yo, Jordan. Yo. Right now, some boy blood run. Yo. What them saying, bad?
What I said, that
I'm no killer.
Shut up, you say you're a killer, boy, yeah.
Bad so. Them are no killer. Them no bad like a python filler. Push it on badness, the boy them a follow. Yo.
Listen, shut up.
Let them go suck out the matter. What? Tell us where we return. No more. No.
Gotta make it sit on
Listen here, we realize we get sellouts. We realize
Go vice, boy.
artists come up here.
Go vice.
Hold on, man. Artists come up here and drums and go on side. Artists, listen. The artists will no child. Listen to talk. Okay, you look like I show something, but don't talk. First of all, people, we just want to thank everybody for the little entertainment segment. But we just want to say this. Basil come and give the boss and strength.
No strength, boy.
Right now you just take that strength and go like a Goliath in the place.
No. Make them know you're dead back on the radio, right? Make them know
Look
you're dead
how you
back
look
on
for
the radio.
death.
Dead back on the radio with Basil, right?
No. Okay. Anyway, it was a night, but here you are. That for sure how you put in the work with the artist, right or wrong?
Yeah, man.
No, but on a real label, how much artists, how much sound now they can do what we do with an artist?
One artist.
No, real talk.
Plenty.
So at the end of the day, me no look Panama win and lose, me look Panama's win for everybody.
Yeah,
Win
man.
for the artist,
Yeah, man.
win for the sound, win for sound talk, win for everybody. Because this is what we need to do sometime now. But now I'm there, so me know me need to go cut too much. This is Basil, you hold out.
No, talk about them.
Basil, you hold out 2 songs with
The
a half.
artist now hold out. You just have to put in
Them
the
man
work.
even know.
Hold on,
You have to squeeze one too. Me and don't
You have to put in the work. When I go studio,
You
John.
go studio, John. You just cook straight there.
When I go studio.
I'm there, man. A chef, you know.
But you know we put in the works. Even though we still, so we can afford for Mr. Lick a
Yeah, we
one
had
man
an
or 2
artist
man.
in the studio.
Yeah, man.
Live.
Build up the people and build up the fans and build everybody will say Buzzkill to the world.
Yeah, man.
See it internationally around
Man,
the
so
world.
you see we deal with the thing.
Yeah, man.
And how much people can deal with the thing like that, man.
Post badness to the
Every
world.
time.
too.
I pick
See
up
that?
every other 268 artist that have gone still. You check them and say, so I don't want anybody to think that's a friend thing. Because they are here, what you name there from West there? What do you know their name? I see Ballard play.
Oh, no, Baby Shanks.
Baby Shanks, me hear Shanks, me hear
Spider.
Clip, me hear
Yeah,
Spider, so the combinations they never work.
Wicked.
So I can't go on like, you're hating, but at the same time,
So you going on that?
I mean, I'm afraid to tell everybody. Me from since day one, Basil, let's say Shiloh, say Basil, and that they not gonna ever change unless Basil decide to change them. But when he do change them, we not change them later. Huh?
One time, you know.
No, but whenever you're ready, just
One
let me
time.
advise.
No, just advise the right
That's
songs. No, all Jadab need to do is go advise the right songs. You can advise Killer in 3 different combinations.
I'll play them one way.
And play them one way.
Makes sense.
If you have one killer,
Which is right.
That's why I play.
Which is right.
That's why I write over.
Which is right.
Them and a killer.
No, but
You
suppose
want a
have
killer.
options. If you want,
So vice for Walla, them a yama.
Yeah.
Oh,
Stop. Play the original song.
Listen. Some boy a scammer.
Yeah. There's so many ways. Now the artist a teacher.
you know me cut my song first. And then they go art because they realize Shiloh leave the bar, just go up, get back ahead, which is good. They realize the bar, they lead only a bit of people, but that's why everybody for big up yourself. All the sound in there for pass through couple sound and get for make it, but at the end of the day, still big up yourself, still. No hard feelings. Antigua Sound Talk, we say 3 years of greatness, the baddest radio station on Tuesday. And we say Sound Clash Fraternity, we say the Sound Clash World. Do remember this Saturday, May 4th, all about St. John's Rumble people. 5 sound, 1 single winner. And do remember our clothing line that's sponsoring us, the Glory brand.
Definitely.
The Glory now left us know it. We have clothes, people, so if you think we don't have no clothes, we
Different
have
way,
clothes.
different trending,
And we have Glory. So big up Dan Kell, big up Soldier, big up everybody that is responsible for those. In the meantime, big up Simmer.
Hold on, before we go,
Big up Simmer.
I have to big up 40 lighting and stage effects. If you want to book lighting and stage effects, contact 40 at 775-6550 or call 728-5612 for any lighting or stage effects. Big up 40, your business gone. Big up yourself, and also big up to what you name again, boy? We can't remember.
Hi.
Yeah, but nice. Anyway, big up to the war this weekend, Saturday night, St. John's Rumble. Yeah, man. And then you have to big up Exquisite Taxi Services and Tour. If you want to roll in comfort, you want to roll.
Boss have a big up.
You know, you want to roll like a boss. You want to roll in a nice air condition. You want to roll with TV in your headset. Call Exquisite Taxi and Tour Services. If you want to, anyway, you know what I mean? It's all about call this number here anytime.
Pin the number in the chat.
Yeah, 773-4492. Call Exquisite now. And get comfort.
And people do want I have to know this, right? We've been working in the backgrounds to bring something for the people. I'm gonna take I can bring them to the people tonight. Put this date in your calendar. May 19 people. All roads leads to Sips and Tips. That are the bougie restaurant, the nice crisp restaurant with the nice sexy ladies and all of that good stuff. And no other than Jonathan Waller that they take it on a musical journey for May 19 people. So remember, yes, right up there by Langford by the pole, Sips and Tips. If you never know, do remember.
Shiloh,
The 19th of this month, well, May.
Yo, bar for bar, one to them. Yo, Simmer.
So we don't make everybody just know what I want. So do come out Shiloh and Stonewall upon the bill. It's going to be a crazy, crazy atmosphere. So look out for that one. They put that in your calendar, May 19th. I'm going to guarantee you, after May 19th, now over there I will come. Me can guarantee you that.
Straight.
So who remember, May 19th, all road leads to Sips and Tips, Stonewall, King Shiloh. It's going to be a pink and white brunch. So if you know for the dress code, pink. And then don't say real generals wear pink now. So you can simmer pink out now. You can simmer pink out because real generals wear pink. But do remember, May 19th, we're over so they had Sips and Tips.
St. John Rumble this weekend, people. Get your tickets now or pay more at the gate. 5 bad sound, 1 winner. It's going to be problem and trouble, controversy, everything you want on the millers this Saturday night.
Nice.
Check it out. And remember, it's all about Exquisite Taxi and Tours. Call them now.
May
40
19th.
stage lighting and effects.
And big up every sound that passed through differently. Big up Everclear. Big up Series the Ruler. Big up Exorcist. Big up Stonewall. Big up myself. You know, I'm not left out myself. So big up everybody. Big up God.